Welcome to our video tutorial on setting up your Azure Service Provider account. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to connect and bootstrap your Azure account for use with our platform. Let's begin. First, from the left-hand navigation panel, go to the Cloud Provider Account section under the Resources tab. This page displays all existing service provider accounts. We are now going to create a new Azure configuration. Click on Create, and select Microsoft Azure as the cloud provider. The Azure shell script is pre-selected, so we'll leave that unchanged. Now, provide your Azure subscription ID and tenant ID. You can find these values in your Azure portal under the Subscription and Directory Information sections. Once the values are entered, click Create Account Provider Resource Instance. A pop-up will appear with instructions for bootstrapping the Azure environment using Cloud Shell. Click the link to launch the Azure Cloud Shell in your browser. Once the shell loads, paste the generated command into the terminal. After authentication, the script will begin executing the necessary commands to set up the environment. This will take a few minutes. At the end of the script, you will be asked to authenticate again to complete the final configuration steps. Once the script completes successfully, return to the dashboard. Refresh the page and confirm that the lifecycle status shows ready. That's it. Your Azure Service Provider account is now set up and ready to use. If you need help, feel free to consult our documentation or contact our support team.